How to make the corners of any image rounded in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can shape out the corners of any image in your Canva application. So as currently you can see that I am in my Canva application for Windows and I have opened this random design right here. So now in order to demonstrate, let me add any element into this design. So to add any element, I'm going to click onto this Elements tab present at the left hand side. Now from here, I will choose any image that I want. So for example, let us choose any image. For example, let's say this image right here. So let me simply click onto this image, and here you can see that this image has been added successfully into my design. So now we will attempt to round its corner. So rounding these corners is fairly very easy. All you will need to do is simply click onto this image, and the moment you will click onto this image, you can see this options of toolbar appearing at the top. So from this toolbar, you can see this option that says corner rounding. It is present just between the stroke style and the transparency button. So simply click onto this corner rounding button, and from here you can choose the amount of corner rounding that you want. So for example, if you want to increase the corner rounding, you can drag it towards the right hand side and you can notice that the corners are getting rounded. Or if you want it to be at default, you can drag it towards the left hand side and the corners now will be sharp. Also, if you want a specific number, you can type it from this particular option using your keypad. So for example, if I want 50% rounding, I can simply type in 50 and hit the enter button, and here you can see that the corners has been successfully rounded. If I want it to 100%, I can simply delete these and type in 100 or maybe a more value, let's say like 1000. So now here you can see in 1000 value, it has almost become an elliptical or an ellipse. Also, there are more values like for example 10,000 or more, but there is also a limitation. The maximum number that you can type is 1000. So these are the maximum digits that you can type. You may also try typing 999 or let's say 9999, but that won't work because the maximum allowed number is 1000 for corner rounding any image. So that's how easily you can round the corners of any image in Canva. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.